For over 80 years, the Puget Sound Joint Apprenticeship Training Committee has trained every union electrician in the region. You look at our history, you look at the legacy of this place, thousands and thousands of electricians have started their career here. This JATC is significantly larger than most in the region, and that's driven by a real robust market here in the Puget Sound area. The current building that we're in right now is about 67,000 square feet, and the building that we just purchased across the parking lot is almost the exact same size.
The industry is going more towards hands-on, lab-based education. We have plenty of space to do that, and we have some of the best labs available and best stuff we can have for the apprentices here.
You get a lot more buy-in from the students on something like that because they can physically see it, feel it, touch it, and it might correlate to something they're actually doing on the job right at that time.
It's a tough program to get into. You fight against a few thousand people a year as far as the application goes, and then an interview process, and then you get here, you're excited to be here. There's an energy of like, hey, I made it into this program.
We run 3 programs here, a residential program, which is 2 years of classes, a limited energy program, which is 3 years of classes, and then we have an inside wire program, which is 4 years of classes plus 8,000 hours in the field.
In our 4-year program, it all starts off with the basics. We're going to start off with a DC theory. When they come back for second year, we're going to get into AC theory. And then third year is where the fun starts for a lot of our apprentices. Now they can begin to see how that theory plays out in the installation of equipment. And finally, the 4th year really becomes a focus on preparing them to be future leaders. I think the partnership here between the IBEW and NECA really shines through.
NECA, who represents our contractors, and the IBEW, who represents labor, come together in the apprenticeship. I think of it as a 3-legged stool. I've got the contractors, I got labor, and then the 3rd leg of the stool is training.
Any disagreements outside of this place are put aside, and the focus is what's best for the apprentices and what's best for the industry.
Because we need to prepare the next generation of electrical workers.
With a common goal to move forward and be successful electricians in the field at a high level of safety and productivity.
It brings so much pride and joy to everybody who's here to see that we're doing that day in and day out. This is their school, and they see it that way.